tangible. Can't pluck it off a tree, that's impossible. Love is a lesson to learn. You play with fire, you're gonna get burned. Miss Earth say she lives in our neighborhood. Granny say she pretty, but she no good. She no good. She no good. She just a vagabond. Listen, Granny said no take nobody love for granted. Desperate order, no one like your auntie. Cherry look ripe, it could be worm infested. Force ripe fruit will bring you money ripe and pluck see complain. Make your bed up in a pain. A green stick is easy to bend. Chop down an oak tree, it will never grow again. There's no great design for love. Miss Earthy, she holds the bottle. La-dee-dee, ready for the medicine. Once he must, ready for the... Hey, she just a vagabond. Your friends say me a fool, 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 fool. I love me, says you look. Oh, oh, oh. I love me, says you look. I really do, yeah. I love me, says you look. I love it just a little. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, I love it just a little. I really do, yeah. I love it just a little. Low, 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 low. I love it just a little. Low, 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 low. Take it. Right now, right now, right now, right now, right now, yeah. Need a response right away. Sending out a worldwide SOS. Love's in need of love today, yeah. Hatred and war must fade away. Hear me when I say we don't need no more war. We don't need no more war. We don't need no more war. No, 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 no more war. No. When all is done and said, no matter what the color, man, blood is red. People, don't you be misled. Stay away from war, choose peace instead. Hear me when I say in the west, peace in the east. Peace up north, peace down south. You know what I'm talking about. We don't need no more war. We don't need no more war. We don't need no more war. No, 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 no more war. Take it down, take it down. Keep playing. Take it down. Keep playing. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we know there's turmoil. There's turmoil in the world. So these songs are appropriate. You know what I'm saying? These songs are appropriate for what's going on right now down in Gaza. Yeah? Right here in the Ukraine and Russia. We don't need no more war. So ladies and gentlemen, sing with me. We don't need no more war. Everybody, it's a party. Here we go. We don't need no more war. We don't need no more. Take the music down. I want to hear you. Come on. We don't need no more war. Come on, everybody. We don't need no more war. No more war. Yeah. We don't need no more war. Lord of mercy, I love it. No. One more time. Sing with me, everybody. Come on. We don't need no more war. No backing vocal. Everybody. We don't need no more war. Come on. We don't need. I love you people. Yeah. No, 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 no more war. Hey, I like to hear my brothers when we're living in peace in the west, peace in the east, peace up north, peace down south. You know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Thank you.
I'm going to recommend you all come in the middle, yeah, and enjoy this tune because you're not going to see me again for another 70 years, so you better come on up.
Come on, everybody.
Come on up.
Come on.
Yeah, come on up, man, because you're not going to see me again. Come on up.
We'll wait for you.
Yeah, man. Come on in. Yeah, you're not going to see me again for another 70 years.
Come on, rock with us, rock with us.
What I'm going to do is, I've been asked to do 3 songs, so I've had to choose 3 songs from my repertoire. The first one is a track that I wrote in 1974 with the man Dread Lester. The first song I ever wrote, a track called Dread Lion. And then after that, we're going to do a track called Crooked World, which is a track inspired by the Martin Luther Jr. speech, I Had a Dream, where he talks about the world being a crooked place and we need to make it straight. And then the last one is a track we call The Windrush, which is inspired from my mother and my father, and people like them who had to leave the island of Jamaica, come across to the UK. And it's not just, we didn't come here just as economic migrants, but there's a love story underneath. So, hope you enjoy. First one, Dread Lion.
Don't cry, Dready, Dready. It's alright, Dready, Dready. Don't cry, Dready, Dready. I'm gonna be alright, Dready, Dready. Sugar and spice, baby, all things nice were made for you. I just got to say, I'm falling in love with you. If you can't love me, that would be sad on my behalf.
would gladly give to thee. If you can't love me, that would be so sad on my behalf. But a lion still roars, even with a broken heart. Dread lion, with a broken heart. Yeah, dread lion, with a broken heart. Dread, 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 dread lion, yeah. Dread, 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 dread lion. Dread, 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 dread lion, yeah, yeah. Dread, 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 dread lion. Natty come from Zion, yeah, yeah, yeah. Tough like iron. Have you ever seen a lion? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Have you ever seen a lion? Yeah, yeah, yeah. With a broken heart, with a broken heart, yeah. Dread, 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 Jalion, in come from Zion, yeah, 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 Jalion. Ooh, we dread, 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 Jalion. And Natty come from Zion, yeah, 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 yeah. So have you ever seen a lion? Yeah, yeah, yeah. A lion still roars, a lion still pours, even with a broken heart, yeah, yeah. A lion still roars, a lion still pours, even with a broken heart. So we said, Jed, no, 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 don't cry, Jeddy, Jeddy. It's alright, Jeddy, Jeddy. Don't cry, it's alright, yeah, yeah. Don't cry, Jeddy, Jeddy. It's gonna be alright, Jeddy, Jeddy. Please don't cry, Jeddy, Jeddy. It's alright, Jeddy, Jeddy. Don't cry, Jeddy, Jeddy. It's alright, Jeddy, Jeddy. Oh, yeah. Don't cry, Jeddy, Jeddy. It's alright, Jeddy, Jeddy. Next one inspired by Martin Luther King Jr., Crooked World. There was a crooked boy who loved the crooked girl. They held the crooked hand while they made their crooked plan. They made sweet crooked love under the crooked star. And he made a crooked promise, yeah, yeah. She would have his crooked heart. And we go, oh, we're living in a crooked world, yeah, yeah. Martin had a dream one day, the crooked will be straight again. And we say, whoa, we're living in a crooked world, yeah, yeah. Martin had a dream crooked town. The people wear a crooked frown. Crooked take and crooked give. It's just the way the crooked live. And we say, whoa, we're living in a crooked world. Yeah, yeah. Martin had a dream one day, the crooked will be straight again. And we say, whoa, we're living in a crooked world. Yeah, yeah. Martin had a dream one day, the crooked will be straight again. The crooked will be straight again. Yeah, yeah. The crooked will be straight again. Yeah, yeah. Crooked will be straight again. The crooked will be straight again. Yeah, yeah. Crooked will be straight again. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Crooked will be straight again. 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 Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Ready? Sailing on the windrush, all alone. Yeah, sailing on the windrush, far from home. Was the summer of '48 when I decided to emigrate to a land far across the sea. It was the place that I've been told where the streets were paved with gold and all men can be free. And I, Judah, missed the wind and the rain. And God bless you till we meet again. Sailing on the windrush, all alone. Yeah, sailing on the windrush, far from home. Yeah, I'm sailing on the windrush, all alone. Yeah, sailing on the windrush, far from home. Yeah, I bless the sun and I curse the rain. I have had my share of pain in this land far across the sea. We are the children of the empire. We fly plane and we burn fire so that all men can be free. And I, Judah, missed the winds and the rain. And I don't know if we'll meet again. Sailing on the windrush, all alone. Yeah, sailing on the windrush, far from home. Yeah, I'm sailing on the windrush. Girl, I'm all alone. Yeah, 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 yeah. Sailing on the windrush, far from home. Yeah. Girl, I wanna please you. I don't wanna leave you. I'll be back one day. Yeah, yeah. She said, baby, don't you cry. A man has to try. Please come back here. Come back real soon. I'm sailing on the Girl, I'm all alone, yeah, 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 yeah. Sailing on the windrush, far from home, yeah. Sailing on the windrush. Say, girl, I wanna please you, never wanna leave you, no, no, no. I'll be back one day, yeah, yeah. She said, baby, don't you cry, a man has to try. Please come back here, come back real soon. I'm sailing on the windrush, girl, I'm all alone. Sailing on the windrush, far from home, yeah. I'm sailing, 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 sailing. Girl, I'm sailing, sailing, yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Can I say, give you a big, big thanks to the man called H on drums. And on bass, the man called Mr. Riley Daly. On rhythm guitar, the man called Mr. Lucas Daly. Big it up. On keyboards, we have the lady like Sister Dell. On percussion, the man like Calvert. Big about Calvert. And last but not least, the man like Joe. Joe, where are you? And on backing vocals, the man like Steve Eitel and Carol Yvonne. Sailing, 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 sailing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, it's been an honor. Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, can you give a big round of applause for Ray?
Thank you,
Yeah.
man. Thank you very much. Yeah, good, good.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That's a lot. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoy the rest of the night. The DJ is going to take over and give you some wicked reggae vibes. No. You know, they're asking for one love. Do you know One Love? Do you want to sing One Love with me? You want to sing One Love? I don't. Yes, yeah. Oh, the gaffer wants One Love. You want One Love? Melvin, where are you? Melvin. Where's Melvin? Come on, Melvin, come up here, please. Melvin, you're a part of my history. Please, quickly, don't mess about. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not rehearsed. This is not rehearsed. But we all know one love. One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. One love, everybody sing, come on. One heart, give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Crack it up. One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. That's all I know. One love, one heart. Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Sister Dan. I'm not here to sing this song, by the way. I'm not here to sing. You're here to sing this song. So come closer, come closer, come closer. Don't change, just keep it going. One love. Everybody just sing. One love, one heart. but sinners, who has helped all mankind just to hate his own. Believe me, one love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. Who wants to sing? Come on. One love, come on. One heart. Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. You brave?
Let's
Get together and feel alright. Again, come on, come again. One love, come on. One heart. Let's get together and feel alright. Come again, come on. One love, come on.
one heart. Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright.
Again.
Let's
One love, one heart. Let's get Kelly. Come on, Kelly.
feel alright.
Come on, Kelly. Come on.
One love.
What about a one heart? What about a let's get together and feel alright?
Let's get together and feel alright. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Thanks and
Carry on. Ladies and gentlemen, Melvin Jones. Come on, Melvin. Get him something. And I guess it. One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel all. Everybody singing. One love. What about the hand? Feel alright. As it was in the beginning, so shall it be in the end. Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Let's get together and feel everybody, no, don't matter go yet, you know. I want everybody to sing this last part. All right, yeah? All right? All. That's for Ray. That's for Ray. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.